Hello buddies, welcome back. It's Anne-Sophie and today I'm going to show you how you can reset your Gigaset GX6. You might have different reasons why you want to do so. Either you're selling it or you give it, I don't know, to your sibling or whatever else. And you want to make sure that none of your data is left on this phone, so you might want to do a factory reset. For this, you want to go to your settings and then first of all remove your Google account. So you click on your account and say remove account. Remove account. Are we sure? Yes, we are. Then re-enter our PIN to verify that it's us, and then you see the Google account is gone. Then we go to system and go to reset options, erase all data, factory reset, and then erase all data. We need to put in our PIN again. Erase all data, yes. And now your phone will delete all your data and restart itself. This might take a few minutes. And now your phone is back. This is the start screen we were here before. So now you can start fresh. That's how you reset your Gigaset GX6. Hope you liked it, hope it helped. If so, thumbs up, share and subscribe, and I hope to see you next time. Bye.